The GoPro Max in 2026. But wait, it's not just about the old Max anymore. GoPro has quietly revolutionized their 360 lineup with the Max 2. And there are insane leaks and rumors pointing to even bigger things coming this year that could completely change the game. Stick with me until the end because I'm going to reveal some exclusive insights that most people haven't heard yet. And trust me, you do not want to miss what could be the ultimate 360 camera upgrade of the decade. Let's start with a quick recap for anyone new here. The original GoPro Max launched back in 2019 and was a beast for its time. 5.6K 360 video, unbreakable hypersmooth stabilization, 360 audio with 6 mics, and that heroic mode for standard action cam shots. It was versatile, rugged, and perfect for creators who wanted immersive content without complicated setups. But honestly, GoPro left it sitting there for years while competitors like Insta360 exploded with the X2, X3, X4, and now X5 pushing 8K better low-light removable lenses and AI editing tricks. Many of us thought GoPro had given up on 360. Well, think again. In late 2025, GoPro shocked everyone by dropping the Max 2. The true successor we've been waiting for. This isn't some minor refresh. It's a massive leap forward. True 8K 360 video capture, meaning sharper details, better reframing, and footage that looks professional right out of the camera. They claim it's the only true 8K on the market with up to 21% more resolution than rivals. Full range 10-bit color and GP log for insane dynamic range. Perfect for grading in post and getting those cinematic looks. Twist and go replaceable lenses made from durable water-repelling glass. So if you scratch one on a crazy adventure, just swap it out, no tools, no hassle. The audio, industry-leading with 6 microphones for immersive 360 sound that rivals shotgun mics. Hyper-smooth stabilization is even better, handling the wildest shakes. And 29 megapixel 360 photos let you crop and reframe forever in the Quick app. GoPro says the Max 2 has superior colors, sharpness, and overall image quality that crushes the competition. Early reviews from Wired, CNET, and Tom's Guide are raving. It's winning awards left and right for innovation and ease of use. If you thought the original Max was fun, the Max 2 takes immersive storytelling to a whole new level. But here's where it gets really exciting, and why you need to watch this entire video. As we roll into 2026, leaks are pouring in about GoPro's next moves, and they're not stopping at the Max 2. GoPro's CEO has been teasing that 2026 is going to be a comeback year with the broadest lineup in history. Rumors are swirling about a potential Max 3 or major Max upgrades, incorporating the new GP3 processor that's rumored to be a powerhouse. Faster, more efficient, with AI smarts built right in. Imagine this. AI-powered auto-framing that tracks subjects perfectly in 360. Even better low-light performance for night adventures. Higher frame rates for buttery slow MO in 360. And seamless integration with new accessories. Some insider sources are whispering about modular designs, drone compatibility returning, or even hybrid cameras that blend 360 with pro-level standard shooting. And don't forget the big one. A pro-grade low-light monster camera slated for 2026 that could dominate in dark environments where current 360 cams struggle. Why does this matter? Because right now, the 360 market is on fire. Insta360 X5 is impressive with dual large sensors and 8K. DJI jumped in with the Osmo 360 that's affordable and user-friendly. But GoPro has that unbreakable ruggedness, the best stabilization tech, and a loyal creator community. If these 2026 leaks pan out, GoPro could reclaim the throne and make 360 video accessible and pro-quality for everyone. From vloggers to extreme athletes. Let's talk real-world use. Picture strapping the Max 2 or its successor to your helmet for skydiving. True 8K capture means you can reframe to hero mode and get cinematic shots without missing a thing. Mountain biking through forests. The replaceable lenses save you from scratches. And Hypersmooth keeps it steady no matter how rough. Underwater dives. Waterproof and immersive audio pulls viewers right in. Travel vlogs become next level with 360 panoramas that let viewers explore on their own. And the Quick app? It's gotten massive updates. AI editing that auto-generates highlights, easy reframing and cloud syncing. Pair it with GoPro subscription for unlimited storage and premium tools. Creators are already making mind-blowing content. Virtual tours, interactive stories. VR-ready footage that's blowing up on YouTube and social media. But hold on, there's controversy too. Some say GoPro was late to the party, and competitors have caught up or surpassed in areas like battery life or app features. Is the Max 2's true 8K worth the premium price? Early users say